Checking your transaction history with Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access your account activity easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website or open the Wells Fargo mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab or section. Click on it to view a summary of all your accounts, including checking, savings, and credit accounts. Step 3. Select the desired account. From the account summary, choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. Click on the account name or number to access its details. Step 4. View transaction history. After selecting the account, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Activity. Click on this option to see a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter and download transactions. If you need to narrow down your search, use any available filters to specify the ranges of transaction types. You may also find an option to download your transaction history in various formats for your records. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your financial activities with Wells Fargo. Regularly checking your transaction history helps you stay informed about your spending and manage your finances effectively.